Greetings. In this video, we will review an issue where the cluster does not appear online in the platform UI after you have installed a new cloud or molecule over an existing installation. In this use case, you installed a new cloud or molecule within your account and pointed it to the existing cloud or molecule installation directory. The cluster now appears as offline in the Boomi platform UI. When you check the services on each of the nodes in the cluster, you see that they are all running. When you check the container log for the services, you see that information is being updated within these logs. However, you come across these error messages within the container logs for this cluster: Java language illegal state exception for error setting up signature and missing private key. This situation can occur if the cloud or molecule nodes are unable to access needed files on a file share to securely communicate with the platform. The reason for this particular error message is that instead of adding a new node into the cluster, you actually installed a new cloud or molecule within your account and pointed it to the existing cloud or molecule installation directory on your file share. This updates the install directory with a new trust store file and key store file in the conf directory of your Atom installation. These files are generated as part of the install process and should not be modified after the initial installation of the cluster. There is no way to recreate these two files once this has happened. The only way to resolve the issue is to get a backup of these files and replace the ones that were overwritten in this installation directory with the backups. You cannot use a copy of the files from the different cloud or molecule installation. To make sure you are replacing the correct files in the installation directory, you want to go to your conf folder and check the start.properties file. Make sure you are making a backup of these files that you're about to replace as a precaution. Here you will see the location of the trust store file and the key store file within this file. For example, in a Windows environment, it will look similar to what is displayed on the screen. After doing so, be sure to restart the nodes and services. In addition, verify that the cloud or molecule is communicating with the platform by viewing the logs and by executing test processes on the cloud or molecule from Manage, Process Reporting, and verify executions are showing up in the process reporting. Hopefully you found this information helpful, and thank you for watching.